So Fatima, would you pay $2.40 for this lip product? Well, maybe. What about you? Would you pay $2.40 for this lip product? Or how about this setting powder? Would you pay $2.40? That's how much it comes out to per day for the Revolution 25 Days of Beauty. So let's take a look and see if it's worth it or not. I know that I would not pay $2.40 for this sample of baking powder because they can't even get the top to fit on correctly. And I've taken it off and put it back on a couple of times. It does not fit correctly. So I would not pay for this one. Not $2.40 here. Me neither. Here are two fun-looking eyeshadows. I would give you $2.40 each. Yeah. They are fun-looking eyeshadows, nice and shimmery. $2.40 each. Yeah, I'd do that. $2.40 for half an ounce of blush. I'm not sure. I'm not sure either. It would be good to get to test it out, so maybe $2.40 would be worth it. What do you think? For the spongy applicator, I might give you $2.40 just because I am new to discovering these and I kind of like them. So I might be willing to give you $2.40 for this. I don't know if I'd give you $2.40 for that tiny beauty sponge. It's firm, but still squishy. $2.40 for this little guy? I don't think so. A mirror. I'm not giving you $2.40 for that. Me neither. Some inexpensive brushes. And it was not a set. They were separate days. So that's $2.40 each. I'm waffling on this one because I do have a thing for brushes. But are they really $2.40 each? They might be. They might be. We definitely hit the mother lode on lip products in this calendar. Yes, we've got these two liquid lip products, $2.40 each. If they were colors that I wanted for me, yes. We have another lip color similar to the liquid lips. This is in a regular lipstick. I think I like the color of this one better, so I might be willing to give you $2.40 for this one. Me too. Then there is a pink lip oil and a clear lip gloss. I'm a lip oil gal, so yeah, I'd probably give you the $2.40 for it. The lip gloss, maybe, maybe not. So that gets us halfway through this calendar. What do you think? Leave us a comment down below and consider subscribing if you're enjoying what you're seeing. We have lots of fun adventures over here. And now, moving right along with this video, we have 3 more lip products. Yes, and they are, in my opinion, rather similar in color. We've got lip liners and another lipstick for $2.40. If it was a set, a lip liner and a lipstick, I think I might be willing to do that, but these are individual days, so $2.40 each. I'm not sure. And is it just me, or does this calendar seem particularly heavy on the lip products? Let us know down below. We have a couple of eyebrow products. I don't use those, so I would ask you, the audience, would you pay each item $2.40? One is a wax crayon, the other one is a spoolie with some type of goopy gel. Is that worth, for this size, $2.40? Or could you get full size at the drugstore? I don't know. We have two eyeliners. One is black and one is brown. And again, $2.40 each. This is a highlighter. And yes, although small, I think the package is bigger than the product, I might give you $2.40 for this for the sake of it is small, easy to transport, and this is in the shade Dare to Divulge. So yeah, I might give you $2.40 for this one. This is in the shade Baycation, and I'm guessing it is some type of a bronzer or a contour. And again, I think the packaging is probably bigger than the amount of product that you get, but I think I'd be willing to give you $2.40, perhaps just to try it, or again, for ease of transport when traveling, just to have a smaller, much lighter weight item. This is a blush quad, and I think I would say $2.40 would be a good price for it. It would be good for travel, or for on the go, or to keep in your desk drawer for a touch-up of all the makeup. I agree, not bad. Not bad at all. And this is day 25. It is an exclusive eyeshadow palette. And it has a good blend of neutrals and some other lighter, sparkly colors in there. So $2.40 I think would be a good price for this item. It is called Reloaded Pink Prosecco. This is what it looks like. I'm not doing any swatches today, but perhaps in the future. So that was our review of the $2.40 a day Advent calendar from Revolution. I'm waffling on that one with a lot of items. It seemed very lip product heavy, although I do like that palette, and I'm not usually one for a lot of neutrals, but that palette did attract my attention, as did the blush quad and some of the lip products. So all things considered, I think it was a pretty good calendar. Yes, let us know. Did you see something that you liked? That calendar was $60. And it was supposed to have a retail value of... Have a happy holiday season. See you in the next video. Fatima, are you admiring yourself in the camera again? Well, of course. That's what I do. Pushing me out of frame, huh? Well, sometimes I need a little more space for me. Happy holidays, everybody.